Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The escalating COVID cases in China and the protests held in many cities seem to have set the stage for today's session. Equities are lower. The most affected countries were South Korea, China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. Only India was spared by the large bourses. Stoxx 600 in Europe is down more than 0.8%, while futures for the USA are expected to fall. Although the US dollar started off stronger than it is now, only the dollar block of the majors is less. The euro edged closer to $1.05. Gold traded at almost $1,764 and is near its 6-day peak. January WTI has fallen below $75 per barrel due to demand concerns and Europe's inability so far to agree to a price limit for Russian oil. This is the first time it has been this low since mid-January. February Brent is close to $81. Asian Pacific market. Japan's unexpected contraction in third quarter GDP was followed up by a weak preliminary PMI. The composite fell below the 50 boom/bust level, dropping to 48.9 from 51.8 due to weak manufacturing and falling orders. Today's strengthening of the yen saw it reach its highest level since August. The dollar was slightly higher than JPY 139.50 before the weekend, but it was still sold below 139 in Asia. Australia reported that October retail sales dropped by 0.2%. Bloomberg's survey showed that the median forecast was for 0.5% growth and no forecast predicted a decrease the first year. The dollar bloc currencies are suffering from Chinese developments, and the Australian dollar is the most vulnerable. The Aussie settled at $0.675 and was then sold in Asia to $0.6665. Market of Europe. This year, Prime Minister Sunak won not just one but two leadership contests in Parliament. He faces the same problem that his predecessors. The Conservative are deeply divided. Construction of new homes could address growth and disparity problems, but the government has stalled its bill. Sterling dropped to a 3-day low of $1.2025 on Wednesday, but it has since recovered and has remained below its pre-weekend peak. The euro fell half a penny from its close to $1.04 in China as a result of Chinese developments. It dropped to the pre-weekend level and fell to a 3-day low. However, it surged to $1.037 to $1.048 in European morning. Market of America. This week is busy with U.S. employment data, the Dallas Fed manufacturing survey, and speeches from Bullard and Williams. Canada announces its third quarter current balance. It is likely to be in deficit. In the last two sessions, the greenback gained support at CAD 1.332. The U.S. dollar surged to 1.3475 in the Asia-Pacific time zone due to the initial risk-off reaction. It has since fallen to 1.343 in European morning. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.